What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video, I'll be following up on a video that I made in the past called Investing in US Stocks from Dubai. So this app that I'm going to be talking about is called Baraka. So I talked about Baraka in my previous video. And so if you're based here in Dubai and you want to invest in US stocks, this is the first app in the region that allows you as a retail investor to invest in stocks from your app. So whether you have an Android device or a Apple device, you can now invest in US stocks. So I'm just going to give you some of my impressions and go through the app. So when I was researching this stuff, one of the things I was looking for was a way to continue investing in US stocks without having to transfer money and pay fees to send money from my UAE-based bank account back to my US-based bank account and then invest in my traditional brokerage over there. So I thought this would be a easier way. So I'm going to talk about some of those things. So when you get into the app, the first thing you're taken to is the dashboard. So on the dashboard, you get insights, so you get a stock ticker. You can see some of the market news and news related to some of the hotter companies that are making moves in the market. As you scroll down through the bottom of the app on the dashboard, then you see some of the educational content that they have, which is free in the academy. Going into the stocks, they advertise they have 4,500 to 5,000 different stocks. They categorize it by what's popular. So you can go scroll down, see what's popular, you can see what's new, and then they also categorize the stocks by the various sectors. So they don't have as many stocks as a traditional brokerage, but I think getting started, there's enough stocks and ETFs and indexes to get you started. So when you actually click into a stock, you see, basic level tracker shows you, what the stock opens at, close, the high, the lows, and so on. On my particular screen, I signed up for the trial. They have 2 different memberships, so I wanted to see what you get when you sign up for the premium membership. So on my screen, you're actually seeing some of the advanced charts that they give you. So additional analysis on the stock. Most of this information you can actually get for free, but I just wanted to see what they offer you. So they partner with a third party called Refinitiv. And then as you can see, they give you full reports, so a really detailed analysis on the stock and what it's doing and where it's potentially heading. So this may be useful for you. But if you don't know how to read these things, then it's best to go into the educational material they offer and just learn some of the basics of investing. And then additionally, they have the academy where you can actually go in and do quizzes and learn more about investing and testing your knowledge. So there's all kinds of free information in there, and it's actually pretty good. Next, what you'll see moving through the app is that you can add certain stocks to a watch list. So if you're interested in investing in something, but you just want to watch it, or you want to watch your stocks, then you can create a watch list and then have those stocks provisioned there, or index funds provisioned there, so you can more closely monitor them without having to search through the app for them. I mentioned earlier there's a trial version. There's a trial, so there's 2 accounts. There's a free and a premium. Monthly you pay $9.99 or yearly $95.99. And those are what you get is the additional analysis that I showed you, as well as the report. That's all you really get. One of the things I was disappointed about is that when you want to get started investing, to add funds, you have to do a wire transfer. So potentially you're going to have to pay a fee. It is easy enough to withdraw your money. You add your bank account in there, and through the app you can withdraw your money. So hopefully in the future, when they make improvements, you'll have the ability to directly add your money into the app, associate your bank account, and then add money without having to send a wire transfer. Additionally, they have a support service. So if you have any questions, concerns, something's not working right, cancel order, whatever, then you can do it through the support. Another thing that I want to convince you to do is to make sure that you read all the terms of service. Know what they're liable for, what they're actually going to provide you. Stuff like, let's say you place an accidental order, how to cancel it, if there's any hidden fees or fees that you're not aware of, go through the terms of service and just familiarize yourself with anything. And we're talking about your money here, so you really don't want to play around. Additionally, you have reports, so you can get your statements, if you have to pay any taxes, tax documents, and also confirmation on your trades. And then also, there's another reporting feature where you can see your pending, canceled, and executed orders. So this is basic information. This was a high level of Baraka app. They just released it. So just getting started out. This is, I think it's pretty decent. Considering for this region, the first, and there's definitely a lot of room for improvement. If you've used anything like Robinhood in the past or eToro for this region, this is a good alternative if you don't have the ability to use those apps. I hope this review was it was very high level. I hope it's informative for you, helps you get started in your investing journey, or if you're already an investor, it gives you another option to invest in US stocks if you're based here in the UAE or Dubai. So another way to save and invest your money, just another route. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave it, and I'll answer any questions that you may have as soon as possible. If you're interested in getting started with Baraka, please check the link in the description. Use my code, and then you'll get a $50 credit. So thank you very much, and as always, I appreciate you watching my videos. Stay tuned for more.